Imagine starting each day with a creamy, delicious avocado. Sounds tempting, right? Avocados aren't just a tasty addition to meals, they're also packed with nutrients that can have profound effects on your health. Let's explore what happens if you incorporate this fantastic fruit into your daily diet for a month. Rich in nutrients, avocados are a powerhouse of essential vitamins and minerals. They're high in vitamins K, C, E, and B vitamins, as well as potassium and magnesium. This makes them an excellent choice for maintaining overall health, providing you with a boost of nutrients that support everything from your bones to your heart health. One of the most significant benefits of eating an avocado every day is the positive impact on heart health. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats that can help reduce bad cholesterol levels while raising the good ones. This can lead to a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. Digestive health. Avocados are also a great source of fiber. Eating one avocado a day can help regulate digestion and prevent constipation. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive tract and can also help you feel fuller longer, which can aid in weight management, skin and eye health. The high levels of vitamins E and C in avocados can do wonders for your skin. These vitamins act as antioxidants, helping to protect your skin from oxidative damage caused by the environment and aging. Moreover, avocados contain lutein and zeaxanthin, nutrients that are beneficial for eye health, protecting against eye diseases such as macular degeneration and cataracts, joint health, and inflammation. Avocados can also help reduce inflammation in the body, thanks to their phytochemicals and fatty acids. This is particularly beneficial if you suffer from arthritis or any other form of inflammatory or joint pain. Improved mood. The fatty acids in avocados are essential for brain health and function. They can help improve your mood, as they play a part in regulating neurotransmitters that influence your mood and stress levels.